Ma'am, nanya lagi.
Sportster S.
Sportster S. Sorry. Sportster S. Price na, ma'am?
Price na sir, itang black na, vivid black, 1,160,000.
1,160,000.
Then, pag white
Color genie.
mas mahal yan,
20K.
20,000.
Okay. Something na, yaman ha. Bala mo kaya, balang paglolo niya.
Hindi kasi Revolution Max na lare.
Revolution Max.
Retang minuna,
Balang chopper.
retang minunang talaga lupang classic.
Wow.
Retang minunang kaya, retang masyado na pang
Wow, mababa.
Kung pansinan may inialaan masyado.
Yeah.
Tsaka ingkay na sir, ing tunog ng aline. Kung compare ka retang bayo, aliwane.
Wow. I agree.
Tsaka ing looks na sir,
Aliwane, aliwane la different.
Wala mo modern type na yung kay ni Harley. Tapos long press nga ini. Tapos kay na sir, 1 down, primera, tapos 2, 3, 4, 5.
Patas. Okay.
Hanggang 6 na eh.
Okay.
Sabay ka to.
Sabi nga ta. Alright. Metong pa ini.
Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Pampanga. So we are celebrating our 4th year anniversary. Visit us here at the LausGroup complex. We are open every Monday to Saturday, and we're open 4th year now. So you can enjoy all the big bikes that American Motors can offer, our Harley-Davidson, and then you can enjoy also the service, parts, accessories, and merchandise.
Alright. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
In all honesty, guys, this is my first time to be here. Ika bro, pangipilan.
Actually, first time ko
First
din.
time.
And ito rin yung first time kong bumisita and sumakay ng Harley-Davidson.
Actually, so earlier, nag-drive test po kami.
Yes.
Solid. Nakaka first love na, bro.
At the same time, nakakaba.
Nakakaba din kasi
Sobrang
you are handling a ₱1 million machine.
Motorcycle,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
Anyway, so inside dito po sa Harley-Davidson, of course, you're gonna see some of the units, no?
At the same time, meron din mga apparels.
Correct. So may tayong mga merchandise. If you are into yung mga talagang classic American
Yes.
mga
Looks.
apparels, correct. So like for example, yan, no? 'Di ba? Nakaset checkered, checkered polo shirts and a lot more actually. Pati yung mga safety natin, mga safety jackets. Of course, we also have some helmets, mga ganyan.
Even yung forma,
Dito,
Classic din.
mga buckle belts.
you know?
Check that out. Harley-Davidson.
Happy 4th anniversary, Harley-Davidson of Pampanga!
Kinechi TV. Follow sir. Follow din, we're in Pampanga.
Support.
Loading ko to.
Yes, hello po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. San Fernando. What's up?
What's up? Hello guys,
Ayan.
Burog TV. So, ayan, Burog TV.
Burog. So yun guys, kagandahan din sa anniversary celebration natin, we get to see yung mga iba-ibang bikes din ng mga bike owners. And iba-iba, like I don't know. This one looks really interesting. Para siyang may car seat sa mga pambata. Para siyang may car seat. Car seat ng pambata. Yun, solid. May speaker pa pala siya. So, speaker. Speaker. Wow. Wow. Look at the dashboard. Solid. So there you have it, guys. Congratulations, Harley-Davidson of Pampanga. It's your 4th year. Sana marami ka pang mga mapasayang mga katulad ng mga bikers na to, guys.
Same time, marami pang tambike ang mapuntahan dito.
Guys, if you're interested to know more about the business, so si Harley-Davidson of Pampanga is located po dito sa may
LausGroup Complex.
LausGroup Complex, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga until our next discovery.
Bye, guys.